G'day guys, today I'm going to give you some simple tips to give your gas-made Voyager a long life so you can produce those family-loved favourites for years to come. So you're ready to fire up and cook your first feed. Turn on the barbecue like this and leave on high heat for about 30 minutes or so. Once this is done, it's time to season your plates. Spray a bit of oil onto our enamel. This is designed to be non-stick, but we're going to give it a wipe down with the oil anyway. This will keep it non-stick, reduce any risk of rust. It's best to just do the inside of the lid as well. Again, it's already got a protective coating on there, but if it does get exposed to the elements, this will keep it running a bit longer as well without any damage being done to the guts of your barbecue. So we'll drop the lid, let that run like that for about 30 minutes. And once she's done, you're ready to rock and roll and have a cook. Cleaning your barbecue is a very simple process. Start with your Adventure King's barbecue brush and scraper and lightly scrape down any fat or food residue that may be left on the hot plate. It's best to do this while it's hot as the food will be easier to lift from the plate. On the grill side, use your brush to do the same. Any stubborn stains on there that refuse to lift, try a bit of newspaper and some salt to scrub down your surfaces so you aren't damaging the enamel on your plates. Once this process is complete, place a little olive oil on a paper towel and coat it lightly on your hot plate and grill, all pretty for the next cook. Be sure to store your gas-made Voyager out of the elements to reduce the risk of rust or weather damage. The Adventure King's barbecue bag fits the Voyager perfectly, along with your other utensils, to keep it all neat and tidy. Just following these simple steps will keep your Voyager running and the family fed for many years to come.